Alright, inoculating some wood spawn bags. We have pink oyster from September 23rd. Looks pretty much ready to go. Could be a little denser on top, but I'm gonna send it and see what happens. 2 jars of pink oyster, grain spawn, 1 filter bag, 3 pounds of enriched sawdust, 1 gallon great value Ziploc bag with a hole cut in it, and some filter paper. Real simple. Cheap, cheaper. What else? Hardwood fuel pellets, pasteurized with hot water, 5 cups of pellets to 1 cup of oat bran. Whole wheat oat bran. So we're going to wind up with a ratio of like 1 to 3 and like 1 to 4 or 5 with these. So let's start with the smaller bag. I'm going to set this aside for now. Got our bag here. This is hydrated basically to field capacity. It's a little wet, but only a little, so let's just do it. Our pink oyster spawn. Let's break this up a little. There we go. We're just gonna... No stiller box or anything. This is my lab area, so it's fairly clean, but this is only pasteurized. It's a fairly strong growing fella, so there we go. Still want to minimize the amount of time that's open, but that's that. Go ahead and mix this in here real good. Hopefully redistribute that tiny bit of extra moisture that was in there too. And that's that. Let's flip her around and label it. This is pink oyster. And today is the 10th of October, 25. Boom. That's it. We've got our other bag. I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with some 70% IPA. Just to be safe. Why not? I'll get my hands too. Alright. Let's spray the jar down too. Why not? Just get everything. These are just wide mouth pint mason jars. They're not Ball brand or Mason brand or anything. They're from Walmart, I think. Just drilled a nice little, I think, 1/4-inch hole there. Put a 2-centimeter PTFE filter patch on top. And they seem to work fine. I just unscrew them and shoot the liquid culture in to inoculate. They've worked so far. Alright. Wipe this down. Wipe our jar down. Break it up. Alright, pull our clip off. Open this bad boy up. this open. And dump it in. And just close this back up accordion style. Good. Put the clip on. And then let's break this up. Alright, clip came off again there, so let's just put that back on. There we go. 2 jars, 3-pound bag, 2-pound bag. That's pretty much it. I'll take some pictures in about a week, maybe. See how they look. Oh yeah, let's label this guy real quick. Pink. Oyster and 1010. 0. There we go. All right, that's it. That is how you inoculate sawdust spawn with popcorn grain. Pretty easy. And later on, I'll link down how to make the jars, how to make the popcorn spawn, all that good stuff.